Hi, my name is Saurabh Banerjee. I am with SICK Sensor Intelligence Solutions. Today we are talking about the asset analytics. This is a new solution in the SICK family where we are using ultra-wideband technology in order to track assets within your production system. During a production system, there are different supply chain issues and challenges. What we are doing is tracking these assets and optimizing those challenges so that you can track when an asset is moving from one zone to the other zone. Here you can see the software that's taking the tags in and creating the map of these assets. We have anchors that are set up, and these anchors are on the ultra-wideband localization, and we have these tags. These tags are basically working on ultra-wideband, and it has coin-operated, rechargeable, as well as options to actually plug in and charge these batteries. So what we are showing over here is these ultra-wideband tags can be put on your asset, and it can go up to a range of about 40 meters with an accuracy of 15 centimeters. This is our asset analytics software. We have added the tags. The tags are C, K, and S tags. We have the layout of our booth over here, and right now we have created multiple zones. We have one zone over here called the localization zone, one zone over here called the I4.0 zone. I'm going to show you now how the tracking works. We are going to take the asset S. As you can see, the asset is already moving. It helps you to create a spaghetti map. So where you're going, it's going to actually create a spaghetti of what the last position was.
Primary office, we're in Portland, Oregon.
So as you can see, it is actually tracking at a centimeter level of accuracy of where the asset was actually been. If you notice on the top right hand side, you are also getting notification. So when you are actually entering a zone, it tells you that an asset has entered what zone. So if I leave that zone, it tells you that the tag has left that zone. When I re-enter, the tag has actually re-entered that zone. What it allows you to do is, if you are doing a raw material, then it tells you when the raw material came in, what that raw material is, and where it is going, giving you that full visibility across your production floor. We also have capabilities of doing many amount of reports. So here I'm showing you the different reports. We log the activity of each of these assets. We also do zone retention time. This basically tells you in different zones how much time an asset has actually spent. It also tells you how much time the asset has not spent in a particular zone. We also give you transport duration. Basically what that is, if an asset is traveling from one zone to the other zone, it gives you the time that it actually has gone through these zones. We also show you like a heat map. So here I'm just going to show you the heat map of all the tags for the last 15 minutes. So here I'm selecting my booth, I'm selecting the assets, and what it does is, if an asset is stable in one general location, it tells you where the asset has moved and how long it has stayed. So in this asset analytics software and package, what we're trying to do is optimizing your entire workflow through your production solution with the help of ultra-wideband tracking. Thank you.